So I was fortunate enough to grow up here in Bend, Oregon. I went to all three high schools and I knew a lot of people in the small community. As it continued to grow and when I knew I was going to become a dentist, I knew that it was going to be a long road.
It's kind of a dream come true to work with your best friend. Like, it gives us a lot of opportunity, just not so much because we're just owning a business together like a lot of people can, but since we're best friends, we spend a lot of time outside of work as well. You know, a lot of people will say before you go into any situation like that, like, oh, don't go into business with your best friend. And you know, we're here 5 years in and still snowboarding together on the weekends. And I like to say we geek out about dentistry. So talking about all the cool things that we're doing, how we're helping people, and all of the technology that we're investing in. We're both really passionate about it.
Bend is still a small town, and if you don't know the person directly, you probably know their friend or neighbor or family member. And for that very reason, when we opened this practice, we knew that we would need to strive for excellence and provide the best services that we possibly could and really change the dental industry and the community here in Central Oregon for the better. For a very long period of time, if people were in terminal dentition or they're losing their teeth or didn't have any teeth, their only option in this community was removable prosthetics or dentures. I tell people all the time, would you prefer your teeth to stay in your mouth or come in and out? And overwhelmingly the answer is, I'd prefer my teeth to stay in my mouth. So we've made it a mission to provide a service that isn't widely available in this area, but has a long history of clinical success that really do help change people's lives for the better through full arch fixed implant prosthetics.
The most rewarding aspect of this is obviously the reveals. Everything that you've done, that's just the night and day from like where they came to where they are. Seeing how happy they are with that and how that affects their lives is really what makes this, symbiotic in that, and that it makes me happy to be doing it.
If you're not growing, then you're dying. So continuing education is extremely important, and the patients really appreciate the experience of having a provider that can provide them with the most up-to-date technology and practices in order to ensure painless or near painless, efficient, quick, predictable, awesome results for whatever dental needs they might have. We have always been on the forefront and the cutting edge of technology in the dental environment. We have a full digital in-house lab. We've been introducing and utilizing intraoral scanners, 3D imaging, 3D printers, milling units to really write the script of the future of dentistry and the standard of care that we should be providing our patients. I would encourage you to check us out at Dental Artistry, Implants, Crowns, Veneers. We provide complimentary consultations and 3D imaging, and I would like you to experience how good a dental practice can treat you and how easy it can be. We are the future of dentistry, and we hope to see you soon.